To talk about contact process. Okay, what is contact process? Contact process is a industrial method used to manufacture sulfur dioxide, sulfuric acid. Okay, H2SO4, one of the world most important industrial chemical. Importance of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is used for fertilizer production, car batteries, detergents, paints and dyes, explosives, chemical manufacturing, and petroleum refining. Raw material is sulfur burned in air to produce sulfur dioxide. Oxygen is obtained from air and water that is also available. Used in the final stage to produce sulfuric acid. Okay. Production of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur is burned in oxygen. So sulfur plus oxygen gives us SO2. Okay. This reaction is exothermic. Formation of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen to that is a balanced equation for sulfur dioxide reacts with sulfur oxygen to give sulfur trioxide that is reversible exothermic and most important step of contact process. Okay, so this step is the most important process that will determine the rate of reaction. Okay, the temperature is 450. That is a compromise between the yield and temperature. Atmospheric pressure is 1 to 2 economically while maintaining good yield, and vanadium oxide is used as a catalyst to speed up the reaction. These conditions, temperature is exothermic, low temperature, high yield, but the problem is slow the reaction. High temperature, faster reaction, but the yield is lower. 450 is chosen as a best compromise. Okay, reaction is on left side for pressure. On left side we have 3 moles, on the right side we have 2 moles. So increasing the pressure increase the sulfur dioxide, but only slightly. Since the higher pressure are expensive, so we use 1 to 2 atmospheric pressure. Vanadium oxide, it speeds up the reaction, lower the activation energy, and does not change the equilibrium position. Okay, and it is not consumed. That is the basic definition of catalyst. Formation of oleum. Sulfur trioxide is not reacted directly with water because it is reactive extremely vigorously and produce an acid mist. Instead, sulfuric acid, SO3, sulfur trioxide first react with sulfuric acid and make H2S2O7. This is called oleum. Okay. So from oleum, we react with water and that will give us 2 moles of H2SO4. This produce concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, what is dynamic equilibrium? Dynamic equilibrium reaches when rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction. Both reactions at equal rate and concentration remain constant. Condition closed system and reversible reaction. Effects of changing the condition. Increasing the temperature, lower SO3 yield, but reaction is faster. Decreasing temperature, high yield, but reaction is slower. Increasing pressure. So more SO3 produce, equilibrium shifts to the right. Decreasing pressure, less SO3 produce, equilibrium shift to the left. Adding more oxygen, equilibrium shift to the right. More sulfur trioxide forms. So removing sulfur trioxide, equilibrium shifts right and more SO3 produce. Advantage of contact process, produce high purity sulfuric acid, high conversion efficiency, continuous industrial process, use a catalyst to reduce production time, economical for the large scale manufacturing. Environmental concern, sulfur dioxide is the major air pollutant, cause acid rain, and modern plant recycle gases and use scrubs to reduce emission. Haber process. Product is ammonia, whereas contact process product is sulfuric acid. Catalyst is iron, here vanadium oxide. Temperature is 450, 450. Temperature is same. For Haber process, pressure is 200 atm, whereas for contact process, it is 1 to 2. They both are exothermic, and one is used for fertilizer, and one is used for fertilizer, chemical, batteries, or chemical reactions. Okay, if you want to go deep, you can take online classes, you can contact us.